Hi everyone, I am Priyanka Jain. I am a verified educator at the Unacademy Plus platform, and there is a big news for all of you. We are starting a course, a theory course for the inorganic chemistry for the CSIR NET as well as GATE exams. For both the exams this will be, and here we will cover unit 1st, unit 2nd and unit 3rd. In unit 1st you will see whole the periodic trends, whole the properties. In unit 2nd you will see whole about the bonding in the homo and heteronuclear molecules. Whatever you need you will see here with the questions. Okay, and in the 3rd unit you will see acid and bases and non-aqueous solvents. All the things will be cleared here, and there will also be doubt session, and this course will be in Hindi, and the course is starting from 11th of October. Okay, so if you want to see this course, what you have to do, you have to subscribe the Unacademy platform, and then you have to click on my code. My code is Priyanka Jain 10, Priyanka Jain 10. Okay, if you are clicking on my code you will get a 10% discount on the subscription. And here is a special thing for you. In the special classes you have an opportunity to raise the hands. By raising your hand you can clear your doubts in the live session. So subscribe the Unacademy. Hi students, welcome in chemistry classes. I am Priyanka Jain and you are watching the mark booster questions from GATE 2020's question paper. And here I have taken a question from the NMR spectroscopy. And the question is, in an NMR spectrometer operating at a magnetic field strength of 16.45 Tesla, the resonance frequency in megahertz of 19F nucleus is. Okay, we have to find out the resonance frequency. Okay, and we have given the G factor is 5.255, beta n, or this is called the mu n, is equal to 5.05 into 10 to power minus 27 joules per Tesla, and we have given Planck's constant is equal to 6.626 into 10 to power minus 34 joule second. This is given to us. Okay, so this question is basically on the very simple formula of the resonance frequency in the NMR spectroscopy. If you have seen my videos of the NMR spectroscopy, I have made the full playlist of the NMR spectroscopy. In that I have given you whole the basics, whole principle, whole the physical aspects of the NMR spectrometry. What is the Larmor frequency? What is this resonance frequency? All the things you will get here. Okay, so if you have not seen the videos of NMR spectroscopy, you can click on our playlist of NMR spectroscopy and watch that videos. Okay, so see here, if you have seen that videos, so you can do this question very simply. So see here, what is the formula? Nu is equal to Gn mu n b naught divided by h. This Gn is given to us, mu n is given. Actually this is this thing, beta n. This is called the Bohr magneton for the nucleus, and b naught is the magnetic field strength, and that is also given to us in Tesla. Okay, so we have to give the units at its place. So we have given the same unit Tesla, so there is no need of the unit conversion, and h is given to us. Okay, so whole units are in their standard place, so we does not need of the unit conversion. Okay, so just you have to put the values 5.255 into 5.05 into 10 to power minus 27, and then put here the value of the magnetic field strength 16.45 Tesla divided by 6.626 into 10 to power minus 34. So you are getting this value around 65.84 into 10 to power 7. Okay, this is you getting. Now you can write it in this manner, into 10 to power 6. This is in hertz. Okay, and we have asked it in the megahertz. Okay, so we know that 1 megahertz is equal to 10 to power 6 hertz. Okay, so we can put this value. So we are getting 658 megahertz. Okay, so this is our answer that you want to know. Okay, so in this way this question is to be done, and several other questions on the NMR spectroscopy and on the all types of spectroscopy I have done. In my playlist you can see the playlist of solved questions from GATE and the CSIR NET exam. Okay, and as well as these questions are given in the playlist of spectroscopy or in the playlist of NMR spectroscopy. So you can watch whole that playlist. Okay, thank you.